Halo, Amazon Halo. Welcome to the Amazon Halo unboxing, app setup, and just first impressions. I'm actually wearing the Apple Watch Series 6 right now, the Fitbit Versa 3, the Whoop Strap 3.0, and that night I wear the Dream EEG headband. Sometimes I use the Muse headband. So I'm very excited to try this out. This is very similar to the Whoop. This is the Amazon Halo. It's pre-release, early launch. I got it for like $64.99, and then it's like a $5 a month membership right now. The first 6 months are free, and they gave it a little tiny box, which I appreciate. I also got the silicone band, so look at that. This is the silicone band. I wanted to compare it to the Apple Watch silicone band that I also have here. And then this is the actual Amazon Halo box. This is very similar to the Whoop strap in terms of the design, like the sleek. If you look at the Whoop strap right there, it's just kind of like empty. There's no screens, nothing, except this also has 2 microphones and it records what you're saying and sends it to Amazon to analyze, and they judge how you feel. Just kidding, they're using some kind of algorithms to decide what kind of tone of voice you're using throughout the day. So I'm kind of excited to try that. It's a little bit creepy. There's also a second piece where you can scan images of yourselves and it'll give you body fat percentage. Look at that, I love this green box, boom, boom. Easy peasy, just tug that out. And then inside we've got the little silicone band. I'm wondering if the material, the box already feels kind of flimsy, is similar to the Apple Watch. It definitely feels cheaper. This is the Apple Watch version. It feels thicker, more like silicone. This is cheaper. These parts don't have holes, but that's where the actual device goes. The rest of it does have holes, so if I do sweat a lot, if you look at that, those are the holes right there. So that's nice and convenient as a male who lives in a more humid environment. Becoming the expert on you, the new bio-tracking device to learn more about us, and the beautiful looking band right there. I don't know how I'm gonna walk around wearing all these devices at once. Voila, there it is in the box. We have the band. That is the first thing that comes out. We've got the band inside of the box. We have their proprietary charger. Wow, this is interesting. Look at this, this is their charger. It's kind of like a clip. You do have to remove it to charge it, whereas the Whoop strap, which I would say is like the closest competitor, you don't have to remove the charge, which is probably my favorite feature of the Whoop strap. This is the inside, these sensors on the bottom right there. This is what it looks like. We're gonna peel this off, ASMR. Oh yeah, satisfaction. When you take it off, this is actually what the sensors look like on the right there, boom. And we've got a button on the side of the device as well, right there. Nothing on the other side of the device. I got the large. I was on the tail end of medium, so I went with the large. And I think that was a good idea. Boom, we put it on. Look at that, Fitbit Versa 2 versus the Amazon Halo. So it's on. They sent me an email, so there's a setup guide from Amazon. We've arrived. Amazon Halo has been delivered. Let's do this feature. There, it is now downloading. So I'm gonna charge this device while we patiently wait. This is a funky charger. You gotta check this charger out. So it's like a clip style charger. That little red that you can kind of see right at the top, that's the charging link that goes to the red piece that's right there. Once again, USB-A. Come on, Amazon, get with the times. We open up the Halo app, give it Bluetooth access, set up your band. So it asks your birthday, your height, and now my weight. I've been gaining weight, 97 pounds now. I'm a male at this current moment. Let's protect your data, enter your mobile phone number. So now it's telling me how to charge it, which I have already plugged it in. Connecting your band, it's gonna use the Bluetooth API. Yep, it's light, it's lit, so I know it's charging for sure. Halo membership, so after 6 months it'll automatically renew, and you get a free 6 months. We're gonna update it. Oh, 10 minutes. Okay, we'll be back in 10 minutes then.
This helps you understand how you might be perceived by others. And knowing how you sound helps you make choices that keep your relationship strong. Body composition uses your smartphone's camera to analyze your body fat percentage. It looks at things like how long it takes you to doze off, or how often you wake up in the middle of the night, like seeing if less alcohol means less snoring.
Be well. Halo, Amazon Halo. It's syncing right now. I gotta say, like, it's pretty much the Whoop strap. The membership is $25 cheaper, so hopefully the Whoop strap will get cheaper. You do have to pay for it initially, whereas the Whoop, there's no cost up front. Looks like it's a 70% battery. It's got a couple things. The other thing I also noticed, there's no Apple Health integration, just like the Whoop strap. Whereas Fitbit, there are third-party apps. Apple Watch, you have Apple Health integration. And a lot of the sleep trackers, Aura and Dream, do have Apple Health integration. Improve your health, it's got all these. Oh wow, you can fall asleep to a sound bath, what's popular, build your fitness foundations, improve your mood with ASMR, or just watch Shervin shares. Make sure to subscribe. You can delete all your health data or download it. Account linking, share with other apps. More tone. Average, I'll just charge it every day. I want everything. All right, let's go. Heart rate, I'm gonna pull up the Apple Watch heart rate with, I'm gonna put my finger on this. So it's telling me 86 beats per minute. Apple Watch is also telling me 86 beats per minute, so it's pretty accurate. 78, 86, 73 on the Apple Watch, 83 on the Amazon Halo, 82, now they synchronize. Let's go to the Whoop. We can turn on the camera mode, 79, come back here, 82. So there is always gonna be some slight differentiation, but that's what it is. Set up tone. I wanted to use tone, yep, waiting for microphone. Okay, let's do it. Turn on your microphone, you press the button until we see a green light. Green light, check. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times.
But people don't know what it is, like, or how to make it. The fact is, the time traveler is one of those men who are too clever to be believed. You never felt that you saw all around him.
I haven't read out loud in a long time. Now it's analyzing my voice, putting it on the Amazon servers, because now everyone has it. Privacy. I'm giving it up just for you, for these videos. Make sure to like and subscribe. All right, start with live mode. Oh, it's saying, okay, so right now I'm focused and interested, knowledgeable. This is how I'm talking to you. This is the Amazon Halo. I am not gonna, stubborn and stern, I love it. Come on, I don't wanna do this. I don't wanna do this at all. Let us out of here. No, I'm bored. What? I don't really wanna be here. What? Amused, happy, okay. Yeah, woohoo, let's go. All right. No, I'm just not that, like, I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I'm just not ready yet. Like, what are we gonna do? That is really interesting. Okay, cool. Good morning, it is the next day. I wore the Halo, as you can tell right here, next to my Fitbit Versa 2 Apple Watch on the other side. And then over there, I wore the Aura ring and a Dream headband next to my nightstand. I'm gonna pop up the screen recording here and you can see we got an 86 on my sleep for the Amazon Halo, and let's just directly compare it to the Whoop. 92% on the Whoop, 7 hours and 42 minutes of sleep. I can actually dive in, see my time in bed, respiratory rate, 16.6, disturbances, and my sleep stages. It says 2 hours and 15 minutes of deep. Over here, I can scroll down. Deep sleep, 56 minutes, so an hour difference between these two devices. And I think both of them might not be as accurate. I'll pull up my Aura ring. Let's go to sleep. It says that I got an hour and 47 minutes of deep sleep, so it's closer to the Whoop. If I go to the Fitbit, it says I got an hour and 21 of deep and REM, so you gotta combine those two. If I combine it for Aura, that would be like 4 hours. If I go to the Dream headband, which is the EEG headband, which I wear across my forehead, and I feel like that one is probably the most accurate. My Dream EEG headband reported 3 hours and 24 minutes of deep sleep, and you can see it's the blue stages on the bottom right there. When it comes to tracking your sleep stages, I feel like these wearables are not that accurate. But yeah, time to fall asleep, the sleep data, 7 hours and 26 minutes time asleep. The Whoop said 7 hours and 42 minutes, a 20-minute difference there. 7 hours and a half, right? So we're going to be like a 30-ish minute difference between all of these wearables. Fitbit, time of sleep, 7 hours and 30 minutes. Wow, Fitbit and Aura were pretty close. The Dream headband, 8 hours asleep. And you can see my wake time. So I would say the Dream is most accurate because I'm actually turning it on and turning it off when I fall asleep and wake up. All right, well, that is the first impression of the Amazon Halo. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna try it out for a couple days and post a review video. If you wanna see that, let me know in the comments below. If not, I won't post it. We'll see you in the next video. Peace. There is no living thing that is not afraid when it faces danger.